In milk there is carbohydrates. Now we are doing fat test. Fat test. Now we are putting oil here. Then, first of all, I take a box of cards. Keep her battery wire. And in next box, I keep the wire. Up, I place a card and test switch. And I just take two sticks and test over here. And test motor over here, and my fan works like this. Thank you.
Okay, let me hold it for you.
For this experiment, I have used glass, water, and lid. You can try the candle and use all of the oxygen in the glass. Then we shoot light. This is just like our light set. And I have this one. And I need to press it. But we will let just like that. See this card? That's and this is the user Dear parents, this thank you means visiting us to be what it was
We give like 3 drops of smoke. So we use 3 kinds of chemicals. One is antiserum A, antiserum B, and antiserum C. Ma'am, what's your name? Gita. So we'll just mix the chemicals.
A student of grade 9. Today I am going to show you the thing I made and learned in my 3DI class. This is a 3D model which I which I made using a software called Blender. Blender is a 3D modeling software which is used to make 3D objects. Today I have made the 3D model of Earth showing the various layers. The first layer is the crust and the layer we live on. This is the thinnest layer of all the layers in our Earth. The second layer is known as the magma. The third one is known as the inner core. And the last one is the core. As you can see, it is glowing here. This represents the hotness in that area. And I have also added various textures to make it look nice. Thank you.
Today we make this project water level detection system. This is ultrasonic sensor. This is jumper wire. This is LED light. This is buzzer. This is breadboard, and this is Arduino Uno.
Most of the people are thrown on the motor and get involved in their own work. Because of that, the water tank gets full and the water gets wasted. But with this technology, we can get notified by LED light and buzzer if the water is going to be full. This project can work like this.
When the water is, when the object is near to this ultrasonic sensor, then it will start moving.
अब ब्याट्रीहरू किनेकै छन् हामीले यहीँबाट अब आएको छ अनि यो चाहिँ अब जस्तो कि यो सोलर चाहिँ अब पावर सेलले गर्दा हिटर लाइट एनर्जी चाहिँ इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जीमा कन्भर्ट हुन्छ। अब यो बत्ती यो वाला बत्ती अब हामीहरूको यो सोलर र ब्याट्री दुवै मिलेर चलिरहेको छ। अब यस्तो चाहिँ अब हाम्रो घरहरू भन्दा पनि अब फ्याक्ट्री इन्डस्ट्रीतिर त एकदम धेरै बत्ती लाग्छ नि त्यसमा चाहिँ यो राख्यो भने अब हामीहरूलाई धेरै बत्तीको पैसा तिर्न नि पर्दैन नर्मल्ली यो सोलरले नै सब काम गर्न सक्छ
This is the model of ecosystem.
Yeah.
We have mixed land ecosystem and freshwater ecosystem in the same model. So, our ecosystem is the interrelationship between biotic and abiotic components. Biotic components means the living organisms and abiotic components means non-living organisms. There are producer, consumers and decomposers in ecosystem. There are three types of consumers: primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. Producers are those living organisms who can prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. In the whole model, the work of producer is done by these trees, and the primary consumers are those organisms who depend upon growing plants for their food. So the zebra and giraffe is feeding on plants, which are known as primary consumers. They only feed on grass, so they are also known as herbivorous animals. And secondary consumers are those organisms that depend upon primary consumers for their food. The lion is attacking zebra, so it is a secondary consumer, and it is also known as carnivorous animal because it only eats flesh of animals. Tertiary consumers are those consumers who depend upon both primary and secondary consumers. And here is the figure of a leopard attacking the deer, and it is working as a decomposer because the dots, black and red dots, is the seen in the deer bodies is bacteria and fungi. So decomposer is decaying the animal body and utilizing the materials, and the remaining materials is absorbed from the soil by the soil. And the producer again utilizes the soil and again form food. So this process is known as food web. Therefore, the process of transfer of energy in the form of food from one organism to the group of other organisms is known as food chain. So this is our model. Thank you.